Yo, what up guys, welcome back to Patched.
Welcome back.
Yes, and today we're going to be talking about the PS5, the PlayStation 5, much better than the Xbox.
Okay, alright, you're going to start a battle.
I'm just kidding, I honestly don't
dislike.
But yeah, I've always been a PlayStation guy. I've had a lot of Xboxes as well. I had the original Xbox and the Xbox 360. But then for the PlayStation, I had the original PlayStation, I had the PS2, the PS3, and the PS4 in the living room actually right now.
I was actually an Xbox guy. So I had original Xbox. Actually, you know what? I had the PlayStation before I had the Xbox. So I had the original PlayStation, PS2, Xbox 360 was where like gaming took off for me. Yes. That was when I really started like hardcore gaming. Mm-hmm. So the original Xbox 360. Then I got the the Xbox One.
Really?
Sort of at the same time that I got a PC, so that thing just collected dust as soon as I got it.
Exactly.
So I really stopped console gaming, but I missed the aspect of having a controller in my hand. So I do sometimes plug my PS4 controller into my PC and play titles like Kingdom Hearts or something like that.
I kind of hate how you can't play with your friend anymore on the same screen. You know what I'm saying? With the big TV, you guys have the split screen with Halo.
Everybody's screen cheating. Everybody's screen cheating.
You screen cheating, man. You screen cheating. You screen looking. But. I don't know, so the PS5 is rumored to be coming out during the holidays of 2020, so maybe around October to December, and it's rumored to be priced around $500, which is $100 more than PS4 at release.
Which I feel like is justifiable given the specs. So it's said to have an AMD Zen 2 processor, which is octa-core, and will boost up to 3.5 gigahertz, which is very, very impressive. That's like around i9 sort of specs.
Yes.
If you're looking into sort of like computer processor terms.
Mm-hmm.
So it's an impressive processor in there. Also, we're looking at ray tracing support, 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory in there, and a new controller as well. The DualSense controller should be interesting.
It has
new haptics.
It has new haptic feedback. It has a built-in mic and all that, which is cool. I don't know, man. Like we're PC guys, so we like never play on console anymore. But I really do miss just you can't lay back on the couch and like game. When you're PC gaming, you have your gaming chair and you're like this. So I kind of do miss that.
Yeah.
But is there a point in consoles anymore? Besides in the US, I feel like the US is the only market and the only country that's holding on to consoles. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and I mean it can be argued the price point for both sides. Of course, you can get a low-end PC or a budget PC that's gonna sort of accommodate near what a console would cost, but consoles are always just gonna be the less expensive option. So I mean that's the main thing there. And I feel like because people are aware that consoles are sort of phasing out now because a lot of people are switching to PCs, I'm interested to see what they do at the release. Some of the things that weren't necessarily announced.
I mean,
because they're gonna have to do leaps and bounds or some massive changes in order to compete.
Yeah, I mean, as far as Xbox goes, I mean, you can literally get all of their games on the PC, on Microsoft. Microsoft owns Xbox, right?
Yeah.
And but the only thing going for PS4 are their exclusive titles. They're incredible games. You have Last of Us, which is incredible, and you can't get on PC, which sucks.
Yeah.
I'm so mad about. So that.
What was the other one there? The chick in Woods, the one you had me play with the robots.
Oh, the Horizon Zero Dawn. That game was incredible too. But that's coming out on PC as well. So, I don't know. I really don't know the state of consoles, but everyone in the US is console's better, we have die-hard console fans.
Yeah.
And I understand, but PC is just the way to go.
So as far as the support goes, it's going to support up to 8K in HDR what they're saying. And we're hoping for 144 hertz refresh rate, but we're leaning more towards only supporting up to 1440p with 120 hertz refresh rate right now. So we'll see how it goes. I really want 144. That would be interesting.
Yeah.
But 120 we'll take it. Xbox has already done it, but I don't know what they're gonna do. They're gonna have to whip out some crazy technology here. Ray tracing is gonna be cool though. Ray tracing is gonna be dope.
So what do you guys think? Do you think consoles are kind of like outdated and most people should just get PCs? Tell us what you guys think down in the comment section below. But that's just our thoughts on the PS5, and we actually are kind of excited about it. Thank you guys for watching the video, and we'll see you guys next time.
See you in the next one.